Now catch a fish, please. Rowing. Leg should be straight. Long inhale, back, engage core. Exhale forward. Inhale back and exhale forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, please. Now inhale both hand up, please. Inhale up. Both hand up. Look at him. Long inhale. Exhale, lift right leg like. Inhale up. Exhale, keep straight leg together. Long inhale up. Exhale, right leg like. 1, 2, left leg. 3, alternate. 4, inhale up and exhale down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, come on, 19, up and hold, please. Keep your leg straight and spine also straight. Hold here. 1, 2, don't catch your leg, please. 2, 3, leg straight. 4, 5, 6, stretch your foot towards the body. 7, 8, 9, 10, down, please. You will get some thigh pain, don't worry. Switch your other leg, please. Inhale both hand up and exhale. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's please. Long inhale. Exhale now, mat level distance between your feet, please. Madam, on a mat only. Both hand shoulder level, please. Long inhale. Your right hand back with the left hand. Catch your right foot and touch your head with the knee. Try. Inhale up. Inhale up. Come up. Exhale other side. Inhale up. Exhale. 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 Inhale up. Exhale and hold, please. Try to close your head towards your knee. 1 leg straight. 2, 3, Simaji leg straight. 4, 5, more forward. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Long inhale. Exhale other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's please. Long inhale and exhale now. Butterfly here. Spine should be straight. 1, 2, spine straight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Simon, थोड़ा सा आगे आइए please. Now catch a big toe with both hands and stretch your leg outside, please. Maintain balance here. Maintain balance. Stretch your leg. 1, Come on. 2. Balance your body. 3, 4, 5. Very good. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, please. Long inhale and exhale here now. Leg wide, please. On a mat here. Long inhale. Exhale. Now drop your elbow on a mat. Drop your elbow and catch your smiley face. Drop your elbow. Turn down your elbow on the mat. Come on. 1, 2. Try your best. 3, 4. Try your best. 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep movement now if you cannot touch. 9, 10, 11, 12. Long inhale and exhale. Now your right elbow down here. Right elbow down, please. Between your leg and your left hand up. Stitch, please. Right elbow down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep your leg straight. 7, 8, 9. Relax, please. Now left elbow down, right hand up. 1. Right elbow down on mat. Down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Relax, please. Leg forward. Shake your leg. 20 count. Boat pose. You have to do scissor in boat pose. Okay? Like, you have to do scissor in boat pose. Now, take your position. Boat pose, scissor. 20 counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, madam, 19, 20. Let's please. Long inhale and exhale. You focus on your breath here, please. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Now, fold your leg back and please come in cat and cow position. Here, please, like that. Your hand on the shoulder. Okay. Long inhale. Right leg up and upper body down. Exhale down. Inhale up, please. Come up. Up. Exhale. Switch your madam. Exhale down. Other leg. Keep movement. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Up. Exhale down. Inhale 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 up. Exhale down. Up. Exhale down and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look forward. 9, 10. Up. Exhale down. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Relax, please. Yes. Now, your hand and shoulder, please. Inhale, right leg up. Move your right foot towards the left side. Please don't keep your thighs down. Your thighs should be up and look your foot here like that. Exhale, touch your head with the knee. Inhale up, look your foot, exhale down. Okay. First right side. Inhale up with the right leg. Inhale up, look your foot, keep thighs up, exhale down, touch your head with your knee. Inhale up, more up, come up. Thighs should be up here. Okay. Exhale down, Aparna ji. Inhale up, keep your thighs up here. Okay. Look your foot, come up, look up, exhale down. Touch your head with your knee. Come on. Inhale up. Look your foot, please. Exhale down. Madam, why you switch? Inhale up. Only right side, na? Up and hold. Up and hold. One. Here. Two. Three. Four. Five. Look here. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Exhale down. Touch your head with your knee, please. Come on. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ये कैसे मजी? Switch your leg, please. With the left leg, inhale up, move your left foot towards the right. Look here, this side, madam. Exhale down, touch your head with your knee. Yes, inhale up, look your foot, keep your thighs up. Exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up and hold. 1, up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale down, touch your head with the knee. Tight, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Less, please. Lie down abdomen, please. Here. And take a rest in crocodile pose. Like that here, please. If it point outside, it is very good. If you have any gastric issue, if you have any sugar issue, it is very good to increase the insulin secretion in your body. 1, leg straight. 2, foot point outside. 3, 4, Simaji. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Relax, please. Take a deep inhale. Exhale. Now reverse both pose. Your leg up and your both hand also up. Engage the core region. Fully tight up. 1, up. 2, leg straight. 3, 4, 5, up. 6, Satvik. 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, please. Now your lotus pose. You both hand stretch here. Elbow straight. Right leg fold. And with the left hand, catch your right foot. With the left hand, stretch your leg up. With the left hand, yes, keep your elbow a little bit up. 1, yes. 2, elbow straight. 3, 4, 5, shabash. 6, up. 7, look forward. 8, हाथ थोड़ा पीछे. 9, 10, relax please. Now again elbow straight, your left leg fold. Catch with the right hand, stretch up. Come on, yes. Elbow straight, little bit up your elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Elbow straight. Relax, please. Long inhale. Exhale. You focus on your breath here. Long inhale. And exhale now. Child pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. Leg forward, please. And lie down back, please. Take a deep inhale and exhale. First your right leg up, please. Right leg up. Catch your ankle with both hands and touch your head with your knee. 1, 2, catch here. 3, 4, shabash. 5, 6, more. 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, please. Keep your leg straight. Now other leg, please. 1, 2, come on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, please. Long inhale and exhale. Fold your both leg, please. Take long inhale, exhale, and now your right foot put on left thighs, and with both hand catch your left thighs and press your leg towards the body. Yes. 1, 2, press. 3, 4, 5, 6, catch here. 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, please. Switch here, please. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Legs, please. Fold your leg. Setu Bandhasana. Catch your ankle with both hands and inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Down. Inhale up. Down. Up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Legs, please. Savasana, please. Leg straight here. You focus on your breath. Keep relax your body and your breath. You feel energize each and every part of your body. Take long inhale and exhale.